Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this ponmo using very simple ingredients. If you know ponmo can be very tasteless, so you need to give it substance. So in this video I'll be showing you how I made this ponmo within very few minutes using very little ingredients to make it very tasteful and give it substance. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So these are the ingredients. I have ponmo, it's been washed properly. Then I have my stock. This one is chicken stock. You can use beef stock as well if you want. I have onions, it's been diced and sliced. Then we have spring onions, it's been chopped as well. Scotch bonnet pepper, rodo. Then you have seasoning. I chose to use Maggi, then palm oil. Palm oil gives it this local taste, so I prefer to use palm oil. We have salt to taste, and then tomato paste, just to give it substance. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to cut your ponmo into pieces like this. Pour it into a pot. I'm adding the ponmo into the pot. All right. Then the next thing is to add my onions. Okay, so I'll be adding my chopped onions. After that, my chicken stock. About 1 cup of chicken stock is enough for this quantity of ponmo. So I added 1 cup of chicken stock, then added water into it. Then the last thing I added is my salt. I added 1 teaspoon rather, just 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. Okay, so the reason I added the chicken stock is to give it taste within a short period. You know ponmo can be very tasteless. Most times we like to boil it with meat or chicken to add substance. So I stirred it and then covered it for few minutes. You want to allow the water dry a little bit, just allow it simmer. All right, make sure it boils and then dries along with it. So I removed that. It's been cooked and dried. So I added my palm oil into a dry pan. That's about 1 cooking spoon of palm oil. 1 cooking spoon of palm oil. Then I also added chopped onions again into the palm oil. Stir it together. So the next thing I added is my Scotch bonnet pepper, the chopped ones. That's about 1 tablespoon, let's say 2 teaspoons. I added little because the rodo here, well, I know what may carry me where I don't know, because the rodo here is very, very hot and spicy. So I added very little. Then I added tomato paste, just to give it substance. All right, keep stirring, stir it till it's fried. Then I added 1 seasoning cube. I chose to use Maggi, because my Maggi it gives it this local taste. Okay, so I added 1 cube of Maggi seasoning. Then little stock from the meat, from the ponmo, because it's getting dry. So I decided to add just little stock water from the ponmo. Then the last thing we want to add is taste. You want to always put your Maggi first before adding salt, to know how much salt you are going to be needing. The last thing you want to add is salt. Then I added my ponmo into this sauce. Okay, so you pour it into the sauce, the pepper mix, and then you stir. Okay, just stir for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough because it's fried already. So just add it, then switch off your cooker. Switch it off, take it off fire, remove it from the fire before you add your onions. Remember the sliced onions, it's for this purpose. Okay, it's just for garnishing the ponmo. So you add your sliced onions after removing it from the fire, because you don't want it to overcook. Okay, don't want it to be soggy. So you add your vegetables last. After taking it off from the fire, then you add your spring onions and your sliced onions. And guys, that's it. We are done. Our peppered ponmo is ready. So if you want to have a break from chicken or beef or fish, every other protein, and you want a snack, or you want to entertain your guests with something different, and you're thinking of making peppered ponmo within a few minutes, so this is a trick to it, guys. All right, our ponmo is ready to serve. Okay, so this is it. It's been served. So that's it, guys. Bon appetit. Okay, so please, if you're new on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please, you want to subscribe to my channel for content like this, on food recipes, on travel, on lifestyle. All right, and if you're a returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again in my next video. All right, please take care, stay safe, and God bless you. Bye.